We're just looking for community members to come out and help support the vaccination clinic in Gravenhurst. It's upstairs at the arena. And so we just need folks to give us a shout and sign up for shifts Tuesdays and Wednesdays throughout the entire month of January. You're right, it's getting really busy, and the more volunteers we have, the better. These are people we don't need to have any clinical skills. They'll be helping support with kind of administrative tasks and screening and helping with the flow of people as they come in for vaccines. So we're just looking for some friendly folks who want to help us keep things moving.
Maybe give me a bit of a breakdown of what these people can expect when they come in to do a volunteer shift here, Rebecca.
Sure, like specific tasks that we might ask them to
Yeah.
do. Yeah. So, well, obviously, like with most places where you go, when people need to be screened at the door. So we have a table set up with a couple of volunteers there. Screening is posted. So really folks are just reading through and, agreeing that they don't have symptoms. And then off they go. And it's helpful to have people directing. Sometimes it's, if you've never been to a building before, you're sort of like, where's the elevator? Where do I go? Which hallway? So even just keeping the flow moving. And then when people come in, we want to make sure they have their health cards. We're checking them off on the list because these are appointments that people have. And so really it's just functions like that, just lending a hand and keeping things moving and making sure that the people who come in kind of know where they're headed. So it's nothing super taxing. It's a great place to be. People are so, happy to be there and getting, first it was starting with, boosters, obviously. And we've got some folks coming in who are having their second doses maybe, but yeah, everyone's really happy to be there, pleased to be getting their vaccine. So it's a really nice environment, probably run into a bunch of your neighbors. And so it's not a bad place to spend a morning for sure.
Rebecca, just before we finish, I want to really focus on the importance of this because Gravenhurst historically has not had a vaccine clinic like this up until you guys have stepped up to do this service. And so this volunteer positions obviously play a pivotal role in making sure this moves forward, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, we were pleased to be able to run the clinic this year. I work for Cottage Country Family Health Team, and I mean, we have staff working there. Of course, public health is helping support the clinics as well, and they are providing some volunteers, but the need is just not quite met yet. So, yeah, it's important, in any small town for us to gather together and help out with lots of initiatives like this. So I'm hoping that people will reach out.
How can people get in touch with you if they want to volunteer?
Yeah, so anybody who's interested in volunteering can call me at 705-646-9045, extension 102, or they can email rpaul@ccfht.ca.